Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. After the struggle and the pain and the rain and the games.
What's going on, YouTube? What it do, what it do, what it is on this lovely Sunday. Hope everyone enjoyed or having a great Labor Day weekend. Got a chance to watch some football. Still going. I'm in a good mood. My Auburn Tigers beat those Washington Huskies. So it's just great weekend all around for your boy E-Double. Like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel, my continued subscribers. Like, so shout out to the early notification gang, E-Money crew. And like I always say on my thing, do what you do. Don't let nobody else persuade you to do anything else. Be who you are. Now, without further ado, you don't want to hear me talking, but we are close to that 1K, so don't hesitate to tell a family member or friend about your boy E-Double and hit that notification button so every time I drop a vid, you'll know exactly when the vid has been dropped. Now, as you can see, got that reptilian box. So we got my guy, Kobe Bean. Sorry about that, Kobe Bean, Kobe AD, size 11, 12 and a half in women's. As you can see, sale, multicolor, 140 of them things, but no. You know how I go with me, that military price, 117 with tax. Check it out. All black inside. Got your paper. Hold on. And check it out. Look at that. Very dope shoe. Interesting looking, but very dope. On the bottom, very yellow. I don't know if it glow in the dark or what, but there's some very interesting little details on the shoe. Got that red little niche there. I heard might not be the greatest shoe to play ball in because of this material underneath. May make you slide. So I can't deny or confirm that. As you can see, got Kobe's signature right there on the front. Got like a little plastic type material there. You got your netting here. And then you got you got your rope, the lace holders here. You got 24, of course, Lakers, 8 Lakers, 33 from the high school days. So all of the numbers that he played in high school and with the Lakers. Got the Mamba Kobe sign there. It's like almost like an all-in-one, like a sock type material here. Coming around on the side. See, you got the embedded swoosh. This is not suede. It's interesting looking. I don't know what that is. And then it has here composite fiber 2 times. Then on the back, you got brown. So it's a whole bunch of colors. You got your pull tab here for your heel. You got the Kobe sign here stitched in with your mesh. Very comfortable shoe. It depends on how you can go up half size, whole size, depending on how you like your shoes when you ball. You got the Kobe signature here and the Kobe sign there. And inside, interesting looking Kobe symbol. So I'm gonna do one more spin around. You guys let me know. I don't know if you can rock this casual. You probably could pull it off with a decent fit, but this look more like your balling shoe. But it's a good price point, $140 on these. Can't go wrong with that. Now, on the lit meter, on the cop meter on this shoe, pretty comfortable. Not as good as the higher end shoe, the NXT, but nonetheless a pretty decent shoe. I give this a 4.25 out of 5. I mean, this shoe is for what you want to do. If you want to ball for the price point, you can't go wrong. So you let me know, would this be a cop or a pass? Leave a comment suggestion below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like to subscribe to your boy E-Double. Enjoy the rest of your Labor Day weekend, and I'm out. Peace.
Corner could get you rich. Let me go, gang. You already know I'm about to say, nigga, I'm always in the streets. On street, nigga. Like, fuck you thought.